If you are looking to stepping into the world of hi-fi streaming without breaking the bank, the Arylic LP10 is a smart place to start. Priced around $100, this sleek and compact music streamer delivers features usually found in more expensive gear, making it an easy upgrade for any setup. Well, in this video, I'm gonna share my honest opinion about this Arylic LP10 with you. If you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.
Yeah, it's okay to be on top like forever, man. This is hard fucking beeping after aliens. We on top of the world, we the sapiens. Do you understand massive complication there? Do you really think you know what I'm made of? My flow is so magical, I'm old, call me Gandalf. You can
The Arylic LP10 brings high-resolution wireless streaming to nearly any sound system. It supports Apple AirPlay 2, Google Cast, Spotify Connect, TIDAL Connect, Bluetooth 5.0, and DLNA UPnP, covering all the major platforms with ease. Designed for versatility, it connects through dual-band Wi-Fi or a wired LAN port, offering stable playback no matter the setup. Whether installed in a living room, office, or bedroom, the LP10 fits seamlessly. And with multi-room capability, it can sync music throughout the home without skipping a bit. Under the hood, the LP10 delivers more than just convenience. It's built for sound. The optical output supports 192 kHz 24-bit high-resolution audio, making it an ideal match for external DSCs and amplifiers. In a headphone setup or a full stereo system, the LP10 holds its own. It delivers a clean, detailed signal that captures the difference of every track, turning basic systems into capable hi-fi rigs with a single connection.
To always look over your shoulder. 'Cause when you think you're safe, just stay awake. She's moving closer.
Interaction with the LP10 is simple and intuitive. It features an infrared remote control for convenience. We can use it to select input, change equalizers, and it has a lot of functions. 4 touch-sensitive buttons on the top panel handle volume, playback, and input mode. A small OLED display on the front shows playback status, bit depth, and connection type at a glance. This subtle screen is ideal for desktop or near-field use, giving just enough visual feedback without clutter. It is a small touch that adds a layer of polish to the listening experience.
follow me, wanna believe what I'm saying, but I cannot.
Around the back, the LP10 offers a thoughtful mix of ports for different needs. There is Ethernet for wired stability, USB-A for flash drives, 3.5mm line-in and line-out jacks, optical output, and USB-C for power. Flash drives up to 16GB are supported for direct file playback, ideal for stored libraries or offline listening. With support for 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi, the LP10 handles large audio files with minimal buffering. Its small footprint and lightweight make it easy to position whether on display or tucked away behind other gear. Controlling the LP10 is straightforward, thanks to the Go Control application. From here, input selection, volume adjustment are just a few taps away. The application also enables firmware updates and will support multi-room syncing with newer Arylic devices in the future. Though many will stream directly from apps like Spotify or Tidal, the Go Control application adds an extra layer of flexibility for those looking to fine-tune playback. As I mentioned before, the Arylic LP10 supports Google Cast, and it is playable through almost all major platforms. Just need to download the Google Home application or Chrome, such as on YouTube. We just need to open the Arylic LP10 in Google Home and press Cast My Audio, and then we can get a higher resolution audio from the LP10. The LP10's compact design complements its flexible performance. It blends into shelves, desks, or entertainment setups without drawing attention. Perfect for desktop listening, bedroom systems, or expanding a multi room setup. It offers plug and play convenience with room to grow. This isn't a device built to stand out, it's built to disappear into the background and let the sound speak for itself. For anyone ready to bring high quality streaming into an existing sound system, the Arylic LP10 offers real value. The Arylic LP10 costs around 100 US dollars and it brings high-res audio, application control and all the essential ports. It fits into a small frame and works great with both old gear and new setups. Everything just works, straightforward and smooth. It's reliable, refined, and ready to handle whatever's next. Well, I've left a link to this Arylic LP10 in the description box. Go ahead, check the product. The LP10 doesn't just connect devices, it connects the listener to the music. And as usual, the link in the description box isn't an affiliate link. If you wanna buy Arylic LP10, you can buy it from anywhere. I'm here to share my honest opinion with you. I'm in love with this Arylic LP10, so I have done this review to share my honest opinion with you. So I would like to know what do you think about this Arylic LP10. Don't forget to share your thoughts and ideas in the comment section. And if you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.
We can prepare to kill the operation.